Hello, Kevin here from Lambert ATV Sales in Roscommon. Just into stock is this Yamaha Kodiak 450 with only 156 genuine hours. We sold this quad new. It's a one owner bike and it's in as new condition. It comes with independent rear suspension. It's fully automatic with a high and low box. Selectable 2 and 4 wheel drive. With 567 miles. 156 genuine hours. It also comes with a factory fitted Warren winch. This bike will be sold fully serviced, checked over and with warranty. It can be financed for as little as €43 per week, or for a straight sale price you can give myself, Kevin, a call on 087 742 1488. Thanks.